Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of protein supplements, specifically reviewing Optimum Nutrition's Whey Protein Concentrate. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, protein is crucial for muscle building and recovery. Let's find out if this product lives up to the hype. Optimum Nutrition. ON was founded in 1986 and has built a strong reputation in the fitness industry. Their whey protein concentrate is a staple for many fitness enthusiasts. Let's break down the nutrition label. In one scoop of Optimum Nutrition Whey Protein Concentrate, you'll find protein, approximately 24 grams per serving, which is about 80% protein content. That's a solid amount to support muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates, roughly 3 grams. This makes it a low-carb option, great for those watching their carb intake. Fats, about 1.5 grams, which includes both saturated and unsaturated fats. This keeps your macros in check without adding unnecessary calories. Sugars, just 1 gram, which is minimal and won't spike your blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about the filtration process. Optimum Nutrition uses a microfiltration process to extract whey protein from milk, ensuring a high-quality product. This method preserves essential amino acids and minimizes fat and lactose, making it suitable for most people, even those with mild lactose intolerance. Best time to consume. So, when is the best time to consume whey protein? The ideal window is within 30 minutes post-workout. This is when your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients, helping with recovery and growth. However, it can also be beneficial as a meal supplement throughout the day, especially if you struggle to meet your protein needs through whole foods. In conclusion, Optimum Nutrition. Whey protein concentrate is an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their protein intake. With its impressive nutritional profile, delicious flavors, and quality production process, it stands out in the crowded protein market. Whether you're looking to build muscle, recover after workouts, or simply add protein to your diet, this product is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips and product reviews.